So we've all got chicken drumsticks. What's gone in there? Oh, she's digging it, she's burying it, she's eating it, Miss Pink is. There's Miss Pink, isn't it? Yeah. Was that Miss Turquoise? You got Nuggets, the chicken, in here as well. You okay, Nala? Nala's frightened because the puppies have got teeth and they keep trying to feed off of her. Those two know the rules. You're not allowed in here, especially when they got food. Double trouble, you pen, you. You're double trouble. Nala, don't pinch. Good girl. Aria. Podrick. Podrick. Come on. Come on. Out. Go on. Out. You okay, Mr. Turquoise? Having fun? Are you having fun? Hey, yo. Hey, yo. That's a pretty girl. You pretty girl too, Miss Pink. And you are Miss Purple. Yes. Yes. Trouble is, when it's raining and wet, you get really dirty puppies. Look at Mr. Pink's bottom. I think it's Mr. Pink from this angle. His bum. Or was it Mr. Black? Mr. Black, I think it was. Hey, Mr. Red. She go, bzzzt. Don't eat my crotch, Miss Purple. It's weird. He's weird. He's weird. She go, bzzzt. She go, pop up. She go, pop up. Pop up. Pop up. Pop up. Pop up. Pop up. Oh, she go, ruff. 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 They go mad normally when I do that. Hey, Mr. Black. Hello, Mr. Black. Hello, Mr. Hello, Mr. Keister. Hey, Miss Pink. What are you doing? Cheers. Broken. It's broken. The puppy's like doing stuff. Playing with it. It's all poop time now. You've all been in for a bit. Oh, what's that? What's that? It's a new toy I got you from Tesco's. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Bossy Miss Purple. She bossing you brown, bud. She go, he smiled at me yesterday. Yes, he did. He go, bzzzt. He go, pop, pop. Ready? Oh, they on the new toy. It's always good when you get a new toy. It's always good when you get a new toy. Oh, scrap between the girls over the new toy. Who's gonna get in now? Mr. Batch? Go ruff! Mr. Pink! Hey, Miss Purple. Go Mr. Pink! Go Mr. Pink! You Mr. You go rah! Miss Yellow! Rah! 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 Ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff. Bzzzt. Go bzzzt. Go bzzzt. Go bzzzt. Go bzzzt. with the toy. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, poop time. Poop time. This is why it's good to get you out even in the rain, even when you get minging and all dirty. It's only Judith barking. Oh, oh, what is that? What is that? Oh, oh, look at that. Look at that toy. Is that good fun? Is that good fun? What is that? What's that? Is that your toy? Hey, bud. Hello, mister. Hello, Mr. Keister. Hey, misters. Hey, guys. Go. Go. Ah. Rah. Rah. You go. Sorry about the really bad filming, but it's really hard to play with puppies. Oh, girl fight. It's really hard to film puppies and play with puppies at the same time. Yeah. Yeah. What's this? What's this? Oh, what's this? Oh, oh, what is that? What is that? Oh. What's that? What's that? What's that? Oh, Mr. Patch is telling Mr. Black off. Funny how Aria's just always with them. Always with the puppies. She loves the puppies. Yes, she does. Look at that podgy belly. I've got podgy belly. I've got podgy belly, mister. So, yeah, Mum. Yeah. Whoops, I love my food. Yes, I eat a lot. I eat a lot. Yes. He's so cheeky. Get this state on your wall. Let's get this off you, is it? May as well get everybody's collar off them, and then I could put them in the wash. Yeah, where's your collar gone? I think it's only Miss Yellow left down in there with a collar. Oh, it doesn't work. It's not popping. Would help if you weren't wriggling. I'm sure. A lack of wriggling would make my life easier, mate. There we go. Mr. Red's without the collar. Pod, what are you doing? Oh, she's still got a chicken drumstick. Podrick. Pod, out. Pod, you are a... There you go. Get him out without the puppies. Oh. Oh, you pinched it, Miss Pink, is it? So you pinch it off you, Miss Yellow. Never mind, you get your proper lunch when we go in. Let's take your collar off, hey? There we go. Right, I'm going to leave this here and see you all soon. Bye.